let's put our hands together as it comes.
That when Dr. Herbert
Adjustment, sit down, go together. Move it.
I want to thank you for being here. I had no idea when Dr. contacted me in the U.S. a year ago, university that you were with.
Let's go to the extra.
That vividly, the first day that I landed, Dr. Herbert invited me over to his and talked about what they wanted to do, because I was very clear that Doreen was a partner in Dr. Herbert Wigway's life. I remember the first time I met Toshi when he introduced me to her, and I remember when I met Chizzy and the rest of the children. When I told his sister Joyce, his sister Stella, when I told, I am very aware Dr. Wigway of businesses. He was involved. There's one thing, and that's Wigway University. I am here to assure you
Are we?
that in the words of Dr. Wigway, we will get this right. Proud Nigerian ancestry, mind you. Excited to see something on the continent that people can point to Wigway University. Thank you. Highlight all the people that worked so hard. We will make this happen. Thank you.
Mr. Miles Davis, Vice Chancellor for the Wigway University, by the Lighting Choir from Lagos.
We pass from the earth and its
wish to do a special rendition. It's the Greenland Classic Choral. Awesome. Put your hands together for yourselves. On this program, we will want to take a sermon, the word, Adoyi. The Abridged Mass Choir will do a rendition. Afterwards, Pastor David Adoyi will come forth to give choir.
Good evening. Thanks for getting my name right. Differently, and I thought this time I was going to read it. So my task at this point is both easy and difficult. It's easy because I'm a sea of humans here. I am emboldened to say that we have felt your humanity in the tears, your warmth, that my siblings, the Woobers, my parents, there is humanity among humans here. Now, our appreciation as a family goes out to everyone who has expended time, resources, physical, emotional, spiritual. No contribution has been without value. And believe me, no one has gone unnoticed. We might not be able to say it every time, but for everyone that has come here, that has called us, that has sent text messages, we can't thank you enough. Again, thank you. Comforted us substantially. Again, Mecca. I want to say thank you so much. I wish I could actually say more, but believe me from the very bottom of my heart, thank you very much.
Success of it. The Bible says the end of a thing is better than the beginning. So we appreciate you. We give all the glory back to you. We go now to different destination. May your presence go.
Please, for order, once again, please, we will request that you allow their excellencies, the family of the Wigways and the Woobers to please be allowed to exit the hall first. More importantly, for all those who came in the bus, please be seated and you'll be told when to exit. God bless you.
Keep trying. That's what I'm saying.